This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can toggle on or off the cache doing video recording option on this drone. So this goes without saying, but still, switch everything on, connect your RC to the aircraft, make sure that you, or not make sure, just enter the GoFly interface, and from here launch settings. Now select the camera category on top, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find the cache when recording toggle, which you can switch off if you do not want for the whatever you record to be cached, which is, well, to be honest, a pretty useful feature, since if you will lose some of the footage or the recording will be suddenly interrupted for one reason or another, you'll still be able to use this cache to restore the recording. Or if you actually find this feature useful, you would like to enable it, simply switch it on. As simple as that. Once enabled, you can set the max video cache capacity. So select how many gigabytes of your storage you can spare for cache. I'll just set it to auto. Just to be believing in software and believing in its ability to determine how much storage this device can actually allocate. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.